In this third session of the Nonprofit Starter Pack videos, we focus on households. Salesforce traditionally has two models for Nonprofit Starter Pack. These are bucket model and one-to-one model. Starting the Nonprofit Starter Pack 3, starting from NPSP 3, they have introduced a model for households called the household account model. This is the default model, and this is the model recommended by Salesforce for all nonprofits going forward. So in these videos, we focus on the household account model. The way to look at it is that the household, which is like a family, is represented by an account in Salesforce. The contact are the individual persons which are part of the household. So maybe a husband, a wife, a child, all of them are contacts that are all linked together to the same household. The household may represent different opportunities for the nonprofit. So there could be an opportunity for membership or uh, for other opportunities. These are linked to the account, and they may also be linked to the contact optionally. The household account model is a powerful model, and it has a lot of inbuilt features which makes the tasks of entering information about your members very easy. So for example, when a contact is created, the household is automatically created. We'll see that in a demo in a little while. Also, when a household is created, then automatically a household name, a formal greeting, informal greeting are all set to a default value. These defaults can be changed by going to the NPSP settings tab. The people household option allows us to change these defaults. The automatic household naming of formal and informal greetings can be disabled also. The NPSP settings tab is quite powerful. It's a new introduction to the NPSP 3, and it allows us to customize the behavior of the Salesforce instance by just making some small changes in the configuration. For a household, one contact is designated as the primary contact that may be used for sending emails or contacting for over phone. The NPSP also allows you to merge households. So, for example, you are working with two different individuals. You come to know that they are related to each other. Maybe they are from the same family. So then you can merge their households into a single household, and the all the information for the two households, like the people in the households and the address information, the donation information, everything is merged automatically. Similarly, for some reasons, let's say one of the contacts moves out of the household, then you can easily remove that and then create a fresh household for that contact. That's all on the presentation. Let's move to the demo. This is, we are already logged in into our NPSP account. As you can see, the application here is Nonprofit Starter Pack. Let's go ahead and create a new contact. We know that when a contact is created, if we leave this account field blank, it will automatically create a new household. So let's create a simple contact, Jamie Smith. Let's keep all the other fields blank for now. Notice it has information about the phone number, the email address, the the address information, all these fields are present by default. You can also capture information about donations, the membership on the same screen. But for now, we'll just leave everything blank and just save the contact. Now, notice that it automatically creates this new household. This is an account, and this is given a name of Smith household. Let's go and go to this household page. There are two fields which automatically get set. These are the formal greetings and informal greetings. So let's say when we'll have more than one contacts in this household, then this may change to Jamie and John, for example. So these get automatically set. These are the defaults. We can change it. Let's say that now we want to add a contact to this particular household. So the account name is automatically populated. We can say that Michael Smith is from the same household. And let's leave everything blank for now. So let's again go to the Smith household. We can see that the formal greeting has changed to Miss Jamie and Mr. Michael Smith, and informal greeting has changed to Jamie and Michael, as we added one more member to this particular account. Okay, let's go ahead and try to edit this household. We can let's say there is one more person in the family that we found out. So we do a search for that, and then we found out there's another member, John Smith. Let's add this. Let's say this person is also related to the same family. So in this case, we have the option of add and merge households and add and remove from old households. The difference between these two options is that the add and merge households will remove the old John Smith household, and both the households get merged into a single household. The second option, let's say the John Smith was part of a household which had 5 contacts, then what this will do is the 4 contacts will stay separately in the old household, and just John Smith will move to Jamie Smith and Michael Smith household. So that is the difference between these two buttons. Let's click on the first option where all the contacts and opportunities of the two households get merged. So as we can see that these three are now a single household family. We have the option of excluding one of them, let's say we can select this and we can change the settings for, let's say we want to change the We can exclude Jamie from the household name, or we can exclude Jamie from the formal greetings if we want. So the formal greeting just show Mr. Michael and Mr. John Smith. Also, let's say we want to remove John Smith from the household. There is this button here. We can click on this. This will remove John Smith from the household. So this way we can merge households, we can split households. Let's just save these three members as a part of a single household. We can see that the formal greeting, informal greetings have changed. And we can see that the three contacts, the household are present. We can make any one of them as the primary contact. At present it's Jamie Smith. We can go to Michael Smith, and if we want we can make him the primary contact. We can establish relationships between contacts. We can, let's say that they are husband wife, they are friends. All that options are easy to set up. This is the relationship I was referring to. So we can choose a related contact. Let's say Jamie Smith, and then we can say that uh, Jamie Smith is wife of Michael Smith, and this is the current status. This is the donation information and household donation information. So let's say there are multiple members in a household, all their donations get added together and it's shown together in the household donation area. Let's go again to the household. We can click on the relationship viewer and see how the individuals in the households are related. So that's available on the contact page. Let's go there and click on the relationship viewer. So this is a standard button, and you can click on this, and a nice graphical representation shows how the contacts in the household are related to each other. We can go back to Michael Smith and specify that, let's say he works in we get to know that he works at IBM. So we can choose his organization. Let's say he works as a project manager, and today is his start date, and this is his primary responsibility. So this is the way to store their work information. The affiliations are used to specify that the individual works at this location. So now we know that Michael Smith works at IBM. That relationship is established through our organization. And for personal relationship, we use this relationship tab. We'll continue with our journey on the households in the next video.